Welcome back to my channel. My name is Basha, and today we are here to learn how a digital attendance system is made using C++. Now, before we continue, I would like you guys to hit the like button and subscribe to follow for more. Now, let's start by looking at this includes. The includes here we have is IO stream, the FS stream, SS stream, and the vector. We have the string here, map, IO man IP, and the algorithm, file system, direct.h, and the sys.start.h. And now we have the using namespace std right here. And let's go to the attendance record. You can see the attendance record. You can see the child status, which is the attendance status. That will be like whenever the student is present or the student is absent or late. And let's go to the lecture sessions. We have the class lecture session, the string course code, string date, start date time, and the duration in hours, and the attendance records. Let's see, we have the string get file name and the file name here. That's how it's arranged. The data sessions, the course code, we have the underscore date, underscore the start time, and the .txt. Let me extend the string a little so you can see from here. And we have let's go to the view all sessions. And we have a note here. It says view all sessions should be a free function, not a member method. So we have the void save that saves the file, session file and stuff. And then we have the course code, the file course code, date, start time, duration, or that's how the session file name is like. So let's go to, you can see the bool load here, string line, record, the void mark, the void show list, and a whole lot here. Now you can see the show summary. Now let's go to the global data. You can also see the vector string, student indexes, the map string, student names. And there you can see a const string student file, data file, data students.text. And you can see the const string session.dir underscore dir, sorry. And you can go, let's go to the helper functions too. We can see the bool directory exists and void in init directories, and this place is the list of all the file sessions, the session files, and the session directories. As a void view all session, see out available sessions, the void load students, void save students, the bool students exist, void register students. Now let's go to the latter part. So now this is where the lecture session is also at. You can see here how the thing was. it's the cout here, course code, then date, go to the time, the start time, and the duration in hours. In the cout, we will see when all this lecture session is created. We just see out session created, then it saves. Let's look at, we have the void attendance menu, mark attendance menu, the lecture session here, and now let's go to the main menu. The main menu, which is the for declaration for CSV export, and we have the main menu here. Int main. This is how the menu will be like when we are done coding this project, and it will come out as the digital attendance system as the heading, and the options will come available for us to select whatever choice we want. So we have the first one here: register student, view all students, search students by index, create new lecture session, mark or update attendance, view attendance list for session, view attendance summary for session, view all sessions, export sessions to CSV, that's the Excel, and we have the exit here. Now this is where we do the CSV coding. So whenever we want to export any file to the CSV, the session file name, we just enter the session file name. As we have an example here, EEE227-2025 10/15 at 9 o'clock and .txt, and you re-enter the file name, the session file name that wants to be output as CSV, and you re-enter the file name, but this time it ends with cs.csv, and when you're done, this thing exports the file into CSV file that can be opened using Excel. Okay, so now let's run it and take a look at how this will appear.